Sound in film is the secret force that entwines emotion and storytelling. Attack on Titan is one of those series that immerses you in its world as soon as you press play. While the animation, lighting and the voice actors' performances are absolutely crucial, there's another hidden element that further captivates you within its narrative. This is the sound of Attack on Titan. The ODM Gear is the lifeblood of the Survey Corps, enabling soldiers to swiftly traverse the battlefield and engage Titans with incredible agility. As you watch the series, pay close attention to the distinctive sounds that accompany this vital technology. When activated, the ODM Gear emits a high-pitched wiring sound as gas propulsion propels soldiers through the air. It's a signature noise that signifies the start of an exhilarating battle. The ODM Gear's sounds are not just background noise. They serve as the rhythmic backdrop to the intense combat sequences, enhancing the viewing experience. These sounds not only immerse you in the heart-pounding battles, but also provide a sense of realism to the fantastical world of Attack on Titan. While the ODM Gear sounds are important, let's not overlook the chilling sounds of the Titans themselves, which are crucial for storytelling. Titans are enormous, menacing creatures in the series, and their unique sounds are essential for building tension and atmosphere. When Titans are near, their deafening roars echo through the landscape, creating a sense of danger. The heavy footsteps, punches which sound like explosions, and their deafening roars make you feel like you're an insect about to get smashed. Another typical Titan-related sound is the hissing which sound when they grow their limbs back. The transformation sound when Eren Yeager shifts into his Titan form emphasizes the impact of these pivotal scenes. The music in Attack on Titan is a vital narrative tool. The soundtrack blends epic orchestral arrangements and heart-pounding beats, but also utilizes calm piano parts and violin sections. During the editing process, the music is strategically placed into the series to heighten dramatic moments and amplify emotions. The following situation shows Hanji, the fearless leader of the Survey Corps. She says goodbye to fight a fight she cannot win, and the iconic track Bauklotze sets in. The music gets more dramatic as Hanji tries to hold off the Titans long enough so her friends can get the plane repaired and get away. The power of the music decreases and stops completely for a second the moment Hanji dies. And it is not clear she has wasted enough time for her friends to escape. For me, Attack on Titan managed to reach the same level as Star Wars or Jurassic Park, both of which had to create many signature sounds to make their worlds as immersive as they are. Even though this masterpiece has now come to an end, its music and sounds will be remembered for a long time. If you have any other movies or series where you found the sound design amazing, please let me know in the comments and I'll consider making a video about them. Thank you for watching and listening for the subtle details that sound designers create every day.